Welcome everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this short video with this, my goal with this tutorial is to give you a solution for what you clicked on. So you clicked on, you're looking to slow down, speed up tracks in Audacity. That's what I'm going to show you. If I find this helpful and you learn something, make sure you subscribe, I really appreciate it. So what you're going to have to do is to go to, of course, you record something, you have a track, and then you go to effects. You go to effect here, and then here we have pitch and tempo, and then here we have change tempo. Then here we can increase the percentage, and let's preview it. Apply. Now let's play. Okay, there's a problem with this audio. Anyways, let me record something. Hello, test 1 2 3. And now I'm just gonna select this audio, go to effects, pitch and tempo, change tempo, and increase the pitch. And now let's play this. Okay, so there is a problem. And now I just changed a couple of things. Now if I go back here to change tempo, play this to apply, and as you can see now it worked without any issue. It worked before as well, but I just couldn't play the audio because of some internal issues. Make sure you have the right input and right output. You can go to preferences here, and then here in playback in recording. And in playback you can change here, and then here, and then here in audio you can change the device, the recording, channel, mono or stereo, and the host. So thanks for watching and take care.